Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If you have not already subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel. Today's topic is about how to insert an observation for total after each by group in SAS data step. To understand this, let's look into an example below. In here, I have variables id, day underscore num and val. And id is the by group here. And here what I want to do here is I want to insert a row after each by group. For example, if you see in here after 001 by group, I have inserted a new observation wherein value of id is total and also I have total for this particular variable, that is val. And let's see how we can do this. And I want to go step by step and explain how we can do this. Here is our sample data set on which we will be working on. And this data set is sorted. Now we are going to work on this. Our first goal is to create total for each by group. How we can do this is by using the data set created here and by using by id sum underscore val plus val. This statement is known as sum statement. I have made a very detailed video on sum statement and I will leave the link for the same in the description below. What this does is it creates a new variable sum underscore val and this will have the cumulative total. That means it will have total of 10 plus 15, 15 plus 10, and you can see the result in here. You have cumulative totals. And even though we have cumulative total, all we are more interested in to have total here, and we do not want once it leaves this by group to still do the totaling, because now we are adding the values which are not related to same by group. So to avoid this, what we can simply do is we can write an additional line of code wherein we are saying if first dot id then sum underscore val equal to 0. I have made a very detailed video on how to use by variable and then using first dot variable, and link for the same I will give in the description below. And again we have our sum statement as shown in here. What is happening in here? When it is first dot id, that is in here when the value is 10, we are saying that the sum underscore val should be 0. And then we are going to add cumulative, means we are going to add 0 plus 10 plus 15 plus 10 plus 25, and here we are finally getting our total. And now if you see here, we are moving into new id and this is our first dot id for 002. So again it will be going to 0 back, and then we are again adding our val value to this one. So in a way we are resetting the value for every id and then we are again doing the cumulative total. In this fashion, what we are doing is we are getting our total at the end of each by group. Now that we are able to get our total in a proper way, now let us see how we can insert a new row, especially after the last observation. Now to do that is also simple. Below is the very same code with two changes. Here I have an explicit output. This is the default way how SAS data step works, is that it has output even though we don't mention an output. So this is going to give the results exactly what we have previously. And also we are adding one more statement. In here we are saying that if last dot id then output. We are saying that to do an output, what this does is it generates this last dot id observation once again. So we have our similar results from output, but we are saying we want output again when it is last dot id. So now we have the result as shown in here. Now if you look into the fifth observation, it is nothing more than a copy of fourth observation. That is, when it is a last dot id, I did an output here, and now we have our values as shown in here. If you see this, we are very close to our result. What we have to do next? We need to do quite a few things. If you see here, we need to overwrite the value of id here, and we need to say total. Also, we want this day under num value also to be missing, and we also want this val value to be overwritten by sum underscore val. All of this can be easily done in our if dot last dot id statement. Now let's see how we can do that. Now all I can say here is, if last dot id, then do id equal to total, means here I am making this id equal to total, and also I am saying day underscore num equal to missing and val equal to sum underscore val, and then output. So this one if last dot id statement, we can do all of this at once. As we do not need this sum underscore val variable anymore, we can drop this variable. To sum it up, the concepts of first dot variable and last dot variable, and also the concept of output, will help us to understand and solve this problem very easily. And before finishing up this topic, I would also like to tell a couple of things. The first one is, I might have used the word row and observation very interchangeably. They are one and the same, and it's okay. And also I want to mention here that we generally do not want to do this kind of thing in data step. This is more for understanding a concept. I am showing all of this. This kind of things are better done in procedures. That's all for this topic. If you have liked this topic, please give it a thumbs up, share and subscribe. Thank you.